Okay, here is the drill tool set from Sundpey. Just unboxed it. And comes with many screwdrivers. I like how there's different sizes. And attachments for it. Some pliers, a wrench. This is a blade. Allen wrenches, instructions, and then look at this hammer. It's very strong and sturdy, but short. I love it. It's cute. Good compact. Another set. Some more of those blades. Some screws and things. Measuring tape that goes up to 3 meters. And then it's rechargeable, so it has the cord to charge it, all these screw heads. And I already put in the battery. Yeah, good set. My husband will love this.